My dear student, today we are going to learn first chapter of chemistry. Name of the chapter is Matter and its Composition. Our universe is made up of matter and energy. We are surrounded by matter. We are ourselves matter. The air we breathe in, water we drink, the clothes we wear, food we eat, land on which we live and walk are all matter. In fact, all substances around us constitute a matter. Then what is meant by matter? Matter is anything which occupies space, has mass, and can be perceived by our physical senses. For example, book, pen, water, milk, rock, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. Some of the illustrations are also given. A glass full of water, a milk in water bottle, a balloon, pencil, and chair. Characteristics of matter. The various characteristics of matter are: first, it has mass. Second, it occupies space. Third, it can be perceived or felt by physical senses. Heat, sound, magnetism, love, hate, shadow, etc. are not regarded as matter because neither they have mass nor they occupy any space. There are there are seven states of matter, but we are learning only three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. States of matter. Solid. They have a definite shape and definite volume. All particles are very close to each other. Liquid. Liquids have indefinite shape and a definite volume. Particles are very close to each other. Gaseous. Gas have an indefinite shape and indefinite volume. Particles of gases are very apart, move freely. More about matter. Matter is a substance which constitute all the things of universe. Matter can either be a solid, liquid, or a gas. The liquids and gases states are fluid states. A fluid can be poured from one vessel to another. All these states are interconvertible with the change of condition. The physical states of matter can be interchanged by heating or cooling. Interconversion state of matter. It is the phenomena of change of state of matter from one physical state to another state and back to its original state by change in conditions of temperature and pressure. Liquids on heating will be converted into gaseous state. That process is known as evaporation. Gases on cooling will be converted into liquid state by process of condensation. The liquids on cooling will be converted into solid state, and that process is known as freezing. Solids on heating will be converted into liquid state, and that process is known as melting. Solids can be directly converted into gaseous state by the process of sublimation. Substances such as iodine, camphor, ammonia undergoes sublimation. On cooling, gases can be converted into solid chains. That process is called deposition. Kinetic theory of matter. The existence of three matter states can be explained on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. The main postulates of kinetic theory of matter are: all the matter is made up of number of extremely small particles called molecules. sometimes atoms or ions. The molecules are always in a state of constant rapid random motion in all possible directions. Due to their motion and the mass of the molecules possesses kinetic energy. There are attractive forces between the molecules. The attractive forces between the molecules of same kind are called cohesive forces, and the attractive forces between the molecules of different kinds are called adhesive forces. The kinetic energy of molecules increase with increase in temperature. As the distance between the molecules increases, the magnitude of attractive forces between the molecules decreases. Now students, homework. Define matter. Name any two quantities that are not regarded as matter. What are the three states of matter? Define each of with two examples. Dear students, I have given you the homework. Please submit the homework by tomorrow within the chat box. Thanks.